F1 car experience. So we've got the joystick on the right side and we've got the throttle lever on the left side. So with this one you are simply going up and down, and this one you point the direction you want to fly, and it's that easy to fly.
We want people to be able, like in 10 years from now, to substitute their car and to have maybe a product like this.